Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best National Geographic Dig Kit is probably one of the most exciting and educational ways to explore the wonders of paleontology and archaeology from the comfort of your own home, whether you are a seasoned fossil hunter or a curious beginner. This kit offers a unique hands-on experience that will have you uncovering hidden treasures and learning about fascinating prehistoric creatures and ancient civilizations. Number 5. National Geographic Break Open Geodes. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Break open these geodes and discover the amazing crystals hidden inside. It's a thrilling experience for everyone. You'll find a wide variety of crystals in these geodes. Each one is unique and full of surprises. Prepare to be amazed by nature's beauty. These are real geodes, each one different in size and shape. The thrill of cracking them open to reveal the crystals inside is an unforgettable experience. It's more than just fun, it's educational. The included learning guide will teach you all about how geodes are formed. It's a great STEM activity for kids of all ages. We are committed to providing the best quality science toys. If you have any issues, we're here to help and make things right. Enjoy the adventure. This kit makes a fantastic gift for kids who love science and exploration. It's a fun and educational way to learn about geology and crystals. What we like. It lets you discover amazing crystals hidden inside real geodes. The kit offers a wide variety of crystals for exciting discoveries. If you are looking for a fun and educational STEM activity that sparks curiosity, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. National Geographic Rock Tumbler. Transform ordinary rocks into sparkling gemstones. It's easy and fun with this rock tumbler kit, watch them shine. This tumbler is made with a durable motor and leak-proof barrel for years of use. It's also significantly quieter than other models. Everything you need is included: the tumbler, polishing grits, gemstones, and a learning guide. It's ready to use right out of the box. Simple one-touch settings and automatic shutoff make this a breeze. Just set it and let it do its work. It's a fun and educational experience for both kids and adults. We stand behind our products and offer exceptional service. What we like. This kit allows you to transform rough rocks into sparkling gemstones. It's built to last with a quiet motor and includes everything you need to get started. If you're looking for a long-lasting and easy-to-use rock tumbler, this is the one for you. What people say. Almost no assembly, at all. Extremely easy to understand the directions. It's sturdy and doesn't seem like it will break. It has a handy feature where you can set it for up to 7 days and it'll tell you how many days are left, great for a kid. It includes a nice little instruction manual with information about the history of rock tumbling and description of the rocks included. Very easy to set up and use. The stones in the photo are a mix of ones I already had, and the ones that come with the set. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including the grit and stones. Number 3. National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets you dig up real gemstones and crystals, just like a real paleontologist. Discover pyrite, amethyst, tiger's eye, and more. It's a fun and educational experience unlike any other toy. It comes with a dig brick, chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. Everything you need for hours of digging and learning is right here. The 16-page, full-color learning guide teaches you about how gemstones are formed and mined. You can even identify each specimen as you find it. We make the highest quality hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make things right. What we like. Unearth real crystal treasures from a dig brick. It's a fun and educational experience that combines excitement with learning. If your child loves hands-on activities and discovering hidden gems, this kit is perfect for them. What people say. Fun activity for kids. 9-year-old enjoyed it and kept busy for about 30 to 40 minutes. Best to do outside as it can get a bit messy with the digging. We kept a cup of water nearby to wash off the gems. Gems are very small, but it was still cool to find them and compare with the booklet. I was surprised how many rocks are actually in the clay. It was way more than I expected. We had a blast breaking it apart and finding all different types of stones, seemingly more than are listed. Great indoor or outdoor fun. The gems and crystals are beautiful and make for a nice collection. It comes with a book to learn about each one, which is awesome. If you're looking for a fun and educational activity to do with your kids, this is the way to go. Number 2. Blue Marble Rock Collection. It's more than just a kit, it's an adventure. This set contains over 300 genuine rock, mineral, and crystal specimens from around the globe. Start or expand your very own rock collection today. Crack open the geodes to reveal dazzling crystals inside. It's an unforgettable, hands-on geology experience that will spark curiosity and wonder. Learn to identify amethyst, pyrite, rose quartz, and many more. The full-color learning guide and magnifying glass will help you on your journey of discovery. This collection is brimming with a wide variety of rocks and minerals, including amethyst, aventurine, blue calcite, and many others. There's something new to discover with every specimen. The included storage bag keeps everything safe and organized. Use the magnifying glass to get an up-close look at your favorite specimens and share your finds with friends and family. From Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year Award. We're committed to fostering education, imagination, and creativity. Our U.S. support team ensures a stellar experience for every customer. What we like. It contains a huge variety of rocks, minerals, and crystals. You also get to crack open geodes to reveal stunning crystal interiors. If you want to expand your rock collection or start a new one, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The National Geographic Rock Collection Box is a fantastic educational toy for young rock enthusiasts. This set includes a diverse collection of over 300 gemstones, crystals, and fossils, providing a hands-on learning experience. The included specimens are genuine and well-preserved, offering a real-world connection to Earth's history. The accompanying guide provides detailed information about each specimen, making it easy for children to learn and identify different rocks and minerals. Number 1. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. It's more than just a kit, it's a journey into the wonders of our planet. Get ready for exciting Earth science activities, from crystal growing to volcano eruptions. Everything you need for 15 amazing experiments is right here. You'll create a water tornado, excavate fool's gold, and so much more. This kit comes with 10 real rock and mineral specimens, the perfect beginning for a budding geologist. A case is even included to keep them safe. The fun doesn't stop there. We've added a bonus guide with 85 plus extra experiments using common household items. The possibilities are endless. From Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year Award, this kit is designed to spark learning, creativity, and fun. Our US-based support team is here to help you every step of the way. What we like. It provides a wide array of earth science experiments and activities. You can grow your own crystal and start your own rock collection. If your child enjoys hands-on science and exploration, this kit is perfect for them. What people say. All the items in the kit were excellent and great quality. The texture is soft and it molds well. A really cool educational booklet came with the set and we learned some really cool facts about non-Newtonian fluid and also learned about how putty came into existence. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.